Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Jameson and this is my Neuropathway video assignment for CSDS 172. In this video I will be explaining the vestibular sensory system, which plays a role in our sense of balance, our spatial orientation, as well as our postural reflexes. The area the system is located in involves the outer ear, the bony labyrinth of the inner ear, and certain parts of the brain. The inner ear is the heart of the system because this is where information about head and body positions is collected. That information is then transmitted to integrative centers in the brainstem, the cerebellum, as well as the sensory cortices. If damage occurs to any part of the system, then control will be lost for balance, eye movement, and spatial orientation. Common disorders that occur with the vestibular system include vertigo, Meniere's disease, acoustic neuroma, and many others. Within the inner ear, the parts that make up the vestibular system include the apparatus and the membrane. The apparatus is what helps us maintain our balance and contains semicircular canals and two otolith organs. The semicircular canals are tubes that can detect movements of the head such as nodding, shaking, or tilting. They also contain fluids that move throughout with the types of movements that are detected. The two otolith organs, the utricle and the saccule, are bean-shaped membranous sacs of the maculus that contain sensory and supporting cells, as well as nerve fibers and endings and connected tissue. They are both located within the vacuole. These detect linear acceleration, gravitational forces, and tilting movements. The utricle detects movements within the horizontal plane, and the saccule detects movements within the vertical plane. The information from these two organs is then transmitted through the vestibular nerve all the way to the vestibular nuclei in the brainstem. It is then relayed to other parts of the central nervous system and is used by the cerebellum and cerebral cortex for movement coordination. The sensory cells are made up of cilia, or hair cells, which are responsible for the rate at which they send nerve impulses through the vestibular nerve to the brainstem. Each hair cell has a hair bundle on the top containing 100 stereocilia and one moving kinocilium. The movement of hair bundles, such as deflection from the tilting of the head, is what alters the rate at which nerve pulses are sent. The membranes of the otolith organs are enclosed with calcium carbonate crystals. And that concludes this presentation. Thank you.